Hey guys, I am in the super simple throw on and go casual but chic outfit. That was a lot of adjectives, but that is what describes this outfit. So first let me talk about this CUPRO duster that I'm wearing. This is from a brand that we carry called Stateside. And if you are not familiar with CUPRO, it is the best thing you've ever touched in your life. This texture is perfection. It's like a super high, fine suede almost. It's like cold to the touch. It feels fantastic. You always want to wear CUPRO. Just in this beautiful transitional color. It's kind of like an ashy sage. And then I just paired it with some black denim that we just got in. This denim is $78. Just throwing that out there. And then just layered it with a quick tank top. You could easily wear this jacket out in the daytime, like this is a day outfit, or at night. You could wear it with a black dress, show some leg, or even kind of do, you know, this whole T-Rex arm thing. But anyway, I just want to show you really quickly. I think that's it. All right, thanks guys.